Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about the parts of speech. A part of speech describes the role a word plays in a sentence. Each word in a sentence has a specific function, like naming something, showing action, or joining ideas. Let's begin our journey to learn about the 8 parts of speech, one step at a time. The 8 parts of speech in English are noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each one plays a special role in sentence construction. Let's start with the first one, the noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It often acts as the subject or object in a sentence, the one doing or receiving the action. Here are some example nouns: cat, school, pencil, honesty. Let's look at a sentence. The cat is sleeping. The word cat is the noun because it names the animal doing the action. Now try this. That is a blue car. The word car is the noun because it names the thing being talked about. A verb is a word that shows action or a state of being. It tells us what the subject is doing or what condition it is in. Here are some example verbs: run, eat, is, jump. Look at this sentence. They play in the garden. The word play is the verb because it shows what the subject is doing. Now try this. He is a doctor. The word is the verb because it shows the subject's state of being. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun. It tells us something about size, color, number, or quality. Here are some example adjectives: tall, red, cold, 3. Look at this sentence. It is a cold morning. The word cold is the adjective because it describes what kind of morning it is. Now try this. She has 2 cats. The word 2 is the adjective because it tells how many cats she has. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Here are some example adverbs: quickly today, very, outside. Observe this sentence. He runs quickly. The word quickly is the adverb because it tells how he runs. Try this. She arrived late. The word late is the adverb because it tells when she arrived. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition. It helps keep sentences clear and smooth. Here are some example pronouns: he, she, it, they. Look at this sentence. She is reading a book. The word she is the pronoun used instead of a girl's name. Now try this. They are playing outside. The word they is the pronoun that replaces a group of names. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other parts of the sentence. It often tells us about place, direction, or time. Here are some example prepositions: under, on, after, beside. Observe this. The book is on the table. The word on is the preposition showing the book's position. Now try this. We met after lunch. The word after is the preposition because it shows time. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. It helps link ideas and make sentences smoother. Here are some example conjunctions: and, but, or, because. Look at this sentence. I like tea and coffee. The word and is the conjunction joining 2 nouns. Try this one. She was tired, but she finished her work. The word but connects 2 related ideas with contrast. An interjection is a word or phrase that shows sudden emotion or feeling. It often stands alone and is followed by an exclamation mark. Here are some example interjections: wow, oh no, ouch, hooray. Look at this sentence. Wow, that's amazing. The word wow expresses excitement or surprise. Try this one. Oh no, I dropped my phone. The phrase oh no shows worry or frustration. Let's quickly review what we've learned. The 8 parts of speech are noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each one plays a specific role in making our sentences complete and meaningful. Now that you've learned the parts of speech, try paying attention to the sentences you speak or write. Can you tell which part of speech each word belongs to? If you're not sure, feel free to watch this video again. Keep practicing and keep learning. You're doing great.